Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, what the hell? My bad, my bad. Just trolling, right? Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Today is Friday, 29th November, the last November of 2024, and the last Friday of the month. So let's bag in some profits, baby. It's Black Friday sale. I hope everybody is doing fine. Let's bag in some money. Let's see what we have here today. As clearly seen, as clearly visible on the screen right now, we have a rejection where from a previous zone which was basically a fake out. It was meant to break out, but it was a fake out breakout. Why? Because right about then there was no volume, there was no buying pressure, plus ceasefire agreement and all those sorts of that stuff. The citizens in Lebanon coming back to their homes. All that stuff. Plus holiday season starting. And might be a trying to grab the buy side liquidity, and it dropped down, made a retracement up, and then again it's touching the rejection zone. I am still bullish about gold in the long term, but there is one more thing that we have to follow is elite wave theory. Those of you who are watching my stream since day one, they know that follow everything. This was my initial plan, okay, for gold, and I'm still following the plan. Now, those of you who do candlestick analysis, first of all, I just put this here because somebody's following SMC, somebody's following what do you call uh, somebody's following what do you say ICT, somebody is a price action trader, somebody somebody is following somebody is following somebody is following what do you call the somebody is following SMC, somebody is following ICT. Yeah, so sorry about that little disruption. As I was saying that there are people out there who follow SMC, ICT, price action, okay, even some people who follow candlestick, okay. That's not the way to trade. The right way is to, follow a fundamental sentiment. I'm just saying, okay, don't mind me, but I just put this here so I can when I'm addressing everybody. When so people know what I'm talking about, okay? Everybody have their own way of trading. So here it is right now. What do you call higher high, higher low, higher low? Okay, we have a range as I clearly mentioned in my weekly analysis. We have a $250 range, and within that range, we are gonna trade. Now the pattern is that higher high, higher low, and some people are calling this the what do you say head and shoulder pattern. Now, given that today is Black Friday sale and market is gonna close off early, we have to keep an eye, really close eye to what we are doing, how we're gonna trade today. So every initial trade you take right now is really crucial. Now coming back to 1 hourly, because people they just wanna take the trades and bag in the money. I would just clearly suggest them to look for sell entries on 1 hour over here. I clearly suggest them look for sell entries. I'm getting, wait a second, I'm also looking at other stuff. Yeah, sorry about that. So, if you have any questions in between, you can ask. You can ask me up. Just my mind goes back and forth. I'm looking at charts too. So yeah, so the drop is continuing. Again, I'm saying if look for sell entries on 1 hour time frame. That's how it is. And this is yesterday's high and low. This area you see right now. Always, whenever you sit down for trade, always put mark high and low. Okay, this was the highest is climb and the lowest, and this is where the candle opened and closed. Okay, so coming back to 5 minute chart, this is our initial. Sorry, 1 minute, 1 hour. What am I doing? This is our initial entire what you call the area where we'll be focused on intraday, of course. This is intraday perspective. If you're somebody who's here for making quick profits, scalps, this is your range. Okay, this is your entry area. Even right now, it's not too late. You can enter a sell. Okay, put your stop loss accordingly. If you don't know how to put a stop loss, you can message me. I'll tell you how to calculate your stop loss. Okay, according to your lot size. If you don't know what lot size you should choose, you can also I can also help you. Just message me on Telegram. No pressure, nothing. If you have any questions, without any doubt, ask me. I'm opening up, and I'm also trading. I'm also live trading while streaming. So if I pause for a second, it might be I'm busy or doing something. Today I plan to do a longer stream. If you guys are active on, actively participating in the live chat, I will stream entire session because today market is gonna give lots of opportunities. I might even help you guys out with trading, but the condition is like the video, like the stream, and be active. If you are not active, then there is no fun in it. I give my time, so as you, okay, and so we will try to utilize the time. Just don't watch the stream and be silent. Otherwise, you will not be just wasting your time, but my time too. So be active. Ask me questions. I'm gonna help you out with your trading today. Today is Black Friday sale, and it's a nice day. And I will also share my trades with you guys. The trades that I have open, long trades, so you guys can see the potential. By the way, where should our take profit be? Somebody is asking on Telegram. Your take profit should be in the area between 26:30 till 26:40 because this is where the day previous day one candle opened, closed, and reached high and low. I haven't even put on the market session right now. Now it looks like this. I have to go in a 5 minute time frame in order for you guys to make sense. Let's go on a 5 minute time frame. Okay, as it clearly visible over here, when the Tokyo session start, as you guys know again, I opened long on Tokyo session because that's what I do. I wake up in the morning and I see okay it's low, it's hitting the area over here, the New York low, so I just opened. And if you don't know how to trade market sessions, then you definitely need to take the batch course, which is the fourth batch starting from December. Anyways, let's focus on the stream. Wait, let me check my trades. Everything is fine by the grace of Almighty. Okay, so let's just talk about how everything is setting up right now. This is market session. If there is one indicator that you need on your chart, is definitely this one. MKT seasons, okay? MKT seasons. And if you, what do you say, if you don't have it, then you will have trouble. Always put market sessions on your, what do you say, trading chart. That will give you an advantage and edge, because as I say that you cannot trade what do you say, Tokyo session the same way you trade, what do you say, London, and you cannot trade New York the same way you trade uh, always this happens. London session, daylight saving has ruined it, damn it. So as is clearly visible, I opened a scalp trade, okay, on Tokyo Open. I took profit over here, not entirely up here. I took my profit just around here, this area, 2662. Okay, I took it here. I got out of the trade. Then I waited for a sell entry. And by the way, this trade was given to the premium guys in Group One, who are mostly who trade in Asian pairs. Oh, sorry, in Tokyo time frame, Tokyo session. What the hell am I even saying? My mind is back going back and forth. Okay, so now, since the London session has started, you can clearly see at the start of London session is heading for yesterday low. Yesterday low is 2635. Now, this is where your profit should be. You got either yesterday low or Tokyo low. All right, this is how you plan your trades. I'm having some difficulty. I cannot see the chat, or I cannot even see how many people are watching it right now. So if you guys message me, there is a delay. I don't know what's happening today. Maybe it's the internet problem over here. There are lots of protests going on in my country. Unfortunately, net is, being slowed by the government. So I apologize for the delay in stream. Bear with me. Trust me, I have a really fast internet. I've been, facing this problem since a week. Let's let's try not to, interfere it with our trades. If you don't have any, this is my trade. This is what you say where I entered, and let me drag my take profit around 35. This is the zone I took profit on. But by the way, if you are somebody who's looking for a trading community, you can join the Pro Bull Trader trading community on Discord. Let me share the link. We have free education materials over there. There are guys sitting over there and trade in the premium group, of course. But if you sit in the community channel, which is absolutely free, some guys, they time to time they jump in, hop in, and they can join you, have a word to word conversation with you, help you out with your trades. So it's a nice place to hang out. Here's the link to the Discord, by the way. Do join it and try to be active over there. If you don't see anybody on the community channel, it means that mostly guys are sitting in the premium lobby. So they'll come around. Just be active on the community chat. Ask questions, post some analysis. It's a really nice place. Okay, let's head back to trading. So this is, first of all, this is the entire trade plan for gold. If you understood clearly, ask me in the chat. If everybody understood what you gonna do on gold, ask me in the chat. Now let's go talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. But before I do that, I need to put some stuff up. No pump anymore, my friend. Pump time is over. Let's talk about some stuff. But before I do that, I have an opportunity for you guys. Okay, we have a group called Millionaire Team. Okay, there is no cost involved in it. There are lots of opportunities, and you will be selected after shortlisting. All you have to do is message me on Telegram or on Discord, and there are certain requirements over there. You need to have at least 2 years trading experience and a bunch of other stuff. What we are planning to do is a secret. Okay, okay, it's a really big. Yeah, it's a secret. I announced it earlier, but nobody understood it, so it's a secret. What you need to do to get inside the group is be smart. Just be smart. It's absolutely free. There's no money in it. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is this is not a this is as clear as it is, as clear as my trades on live. All you have to do is be active, be a team player, and be focused and energetic. I don't want any lazy people, lazy individuals, with bad energy to drag the group morale down. I need hungry people who are hungry for, knowledge, knowledge, hungry for, a purpose. Money is secondary. Good trade is, primary. Money will follow. First, you have to find nice trades. Money is secondary. Let me even. Yeah, so here it is. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Once you understand what's happening, you will be capable enough for, finding trades for yourself. But if you want to be smart about your decisions, and try not to make mistakes, join this premium signal group. Anyways, here's the information I'm giving you, which I already gave in the video, in the video which I uploaded yesterday. So the thing that's currently people are there are first of all, let's switch to this. Yep. What's happening now? A lot of people after watching this, they're gonna get butthurt. There gonna be lots of hate messages, threats. I get that a lot, but I don't give a shit. Here's the thing. You're either gonna buy it or either you're gonna sell it. But in the end, if you are smart enough to see the matrix lines, you'll understand what's happening in the trading community. 70% of the people who invested in Bitcoin right now, they are in loss. Why? Because they bought at all-time high. Now, November candle, which started off at 66,000, it went up as high as 100k. That is nearly like $44,000 price pump. Now everybody knows that it's about to hit all-time high, but there is also a fear looming in that it will dump, it will drop. The matter of fact, the question is when it's gonna happen. Now that question itself is $1 million question, and those who knows the answer to it are gonna be some rich people. But everything comes at a cost of something. You have to put in your research analysis. Okay, you have to sit down, read the financial statements of the companies who are holding majority stake in the Bitcoin. You have to go through the news, what's happening in the mining industry, and all sorts of things. You also have to go see the volatility index. Okay, that what's happening in the US stock market. Is the Wall Street gonna short sell it, or are they gonna just ignore everything and keep on pumping? So yeah, let's come back. So here's the yeah. So as I was saying, that a lot of people will get butthurt. The number one question lies is what's gonna happen in the Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin dropping down on 4 hourly? If you don't know those questions and you're buying, you're making a big mistake. All the FOMO buyers are sitting over here from 66,000 to 9,900, and this is 70% of the people, and they are in loss. These individuals are spot buyers who are, who spot on spot. I'm not talking about people who are scalping. They are profitable, but some of them they have heavy longs running. Okay, and their stop losses are sitting all from here. This entire area is a stop loss area too. Given that 70% are on buy on spot and on futures, and there's a huge liquidity sitting over here, you should ask yourself, has is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? During COVID era, I remember when let's talk about the first time Bitcoin hit 12K. It dropped down to what do you call $200 or $300 then. Then the first time then it hit 17,000. What happened? It dropped down to 2,000, 3,000. Then same when it hit 64K. Then what happened? It dropped down to 15, 14K. Right? This time it has not made 60. It has made 100K. Now you have to look where the drop will be. Your question should be, if we are on the top, but where will be the bottom? Where will be the bottom? Now, if you understand this thing, then you're gonna go on the 4 hourly and plan the direction. Then you will, when you when you're gonna know what's happening on the monthly time frame, then you're gonna move into the daily. Then from daily you will move to the 4 hourly. Then from the 4 hourly you're gonna move to 1 hour. Then from the 1 hour you're gonna move to 15 minutes. On in 15 minutes, then you will start planning your scalp trades, and then you will go on 5 minute and 1 minute for entry. This is how you trade. You don't trade based on a monthly candle and you open a buy and a sell. You plan your way. It's like when you plan to travel, right? Let's just say that you belong to any countries. There's mountainside, beach area, desert area, jungle area, forest area. Doesn't matter. You plan a destination. What you do is, if it's a 2 day, 3 day by road, you plan everything, right? There's gonna be this much pumps. You're gonna stop for refueling this. So this is trading is also like this. When you initially put in all the pieces together, you say, okay, this is the high. This is it has okay. And right now, what is happening in the crypto market is that the crypto pump was fueled by Donald Trump and a bunch of other people, including Michael Slayer and a bunch of other BlackRock. They all pumped it up. They started buying in because Bitcoin is a digital asset. They didn't want that majority of the stake lies in the hands of China and Russia. So they started buying in because this is a threat, right? Whoever controls the cryptocurrencies, crypto asset is gonna control the future. But if we live long enough to see that day, but till then it is a threat, right? And any threat to America is a communist threat, you right? So they will try to counter it, and they started purchasing. Trump came with making make America great again slogan again. So he has a whole initiation, what do you say, mindset of pulling the American economy out of the debt. And how is gonna do it? He's gonna do it by basically, trying to find the sources of ways of pulling, and the only way is crypto. Why? Because American economy is in debt since 1960. Fed is just printing money. Whenever there is a bailout or an economic crisis, just the government comes in and does the bailout, and they print more money. And what happens is inflation. The price, the prices go up. It costed around $20,000, $25,000 to buy a home in America 3, 4 decades ago. Now it costs more than 3 or 4 grand. And if you buy it, you have to pay the installments for the rest of your life. This is how much the housing industry has gone through. This was the reason of the 2008 housing market bubble crash. And you have to consider into the site everything. This is really important. Now let's go to the 4 hourly time frame. You understood what's happening. 70% of people are sitting on spot and future trading. Their stop losses are sitting over here. MSTR, micro, what do you say? Micro strategy went up as high as 500%. Okay, let's come back. So this is a 4 hourly time frame. MicroStrategy share it opened up with the gaps and gaps, and it pushed the price up by 500% from $100 to 550 in 3 months. Now the Wall Street started short selling there. This was the reason that Bitcoin started dropping on a 4 hourly too. And today is Friday, Black Friday sale. So we might get what do you say, a short sell on MicroStrategy too. Maybe this is a bull trap, and if starts to drop, you are in for a big money. What you need to do right now is look for sell entries on 4 hourly time frame. Okay, and if you are scalping, buy and sell is all right. But if you are planning to grab that big trade, you have to look for sell entries. If you don't know how to take that swing trade, you can join in the premium signal group. We will help you out with that, but that's the only way to ensure 100% profit guarantee. If you want to do it on your own, there might be a risk. If you're smart enough, you'll make it through. But if you want zero risk, 100% profit guarantee, join the premium group. That's the least I can say. It's a Black Friday sale, so you get a 25% off on a monthly, okay? And you can make much profit more than that. If you are somebody who has money, so you won't even care. Come and we'll help you out with all sorts of things. All services are available against a price tag, right? We, because I don't wanna waste my time, I don't wanna waste anybody's time. The price tag is there is just because we are building up this community. Whatever we are earning, we are investing it back into growing the community. So right now, coming back to 5 minute chart, you can see that this was last night. Last night we bought. Okay, before I went to sleep, I bought at this low, and Tokyo session I took profit around here. Why? Because I'm planning my trade right around here. This is the zone. I bought around here. Okay, this is 4 hourly. I bought around here, and then what do you say? Sold around here, and now the 4 hourly is still up. So the next 4 hourly or this 4 hourly, there are 2 hours 4:49 left for this 4 hourly time frame to close. So that means that if this can is and this is near the what do you say, golden zone. And if you're somebody who says this is a double top pattern, he will look for clues, look for initial clues of where is heading, right? Wait a second. Why is the market suddenly pumping without reason? Why is gold pumping? What happened? Nothing, just Nothing to worry about, just a sell entry. So right now is yeah, sorry about that, just distract.